up in the tree. A coconut is what I see. Climb to the top and what do you think? Crack it open and take a drink. And scratch your chin, stick out your tongue and pull it in. Scratch your sides, oh what could it be? You're turning into a chimpanzee. Living in the zoo, living in the jungle, living true blue. Living in the trees is the best thing yet. I will